Good morning guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to insert an image in the AutoCAD file. So often it happens that when we insert an image in an AutoCAD file and later we delete the image, then in the AutoCAD file we have only the links, not the image. So today we are going to learn a way in which though we delete the image, there is still the image in the AutoCAD file. So let's go and check it out. So I'll be inserting this image in the AutoCAD. First step is open your image in the Paint. Control All, Control C, and then click Control V. Go back to your AutoCAD file. Type Insert OBJ. Enter. Then scroll down, paintbrush picture, OK, Control V, Control S, close the tab, and here is the image inserted in your AutoCAD. We'll save this file. Now I'll close this file and delete the image. Deleting the image and open the AutoCAD file now. And yes, though I have deleted the image, I still have the image in the AutoCAD file. So this is how you insert an image in an AutoCAD file without the missing link. So guys, if you found the tutorial helpful, please do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to explore more enlightening design with me. Thank you.